how to turn on top fan badges on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, launch your Facebook application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Now, once you land in your home page, you have to switch your Facebook account to your Facebook page. For that, tap on your profile icon along with the three-line icon from the top right corner. Now, from this menu page, next to your name, there you have an option to switch to your Facebook page. So tap on the profile icon of your Facebook page along with that arrow icon, and that will automatically switch you to your Facebook page. Now once you land in the home page of your Facebook page, now again tap on the profile icon along with the three-line icon from the top right corner next to that chat icon. Then you will land in this menu page. Here scroll down a bit, and within all of these menus right here in your interface, there you will find an option or menu as Professional Dashboard. Tap on that. Now once you land in your Professional Dashboard page, scroll down, and under this tool section, there you will have an option as Fan Engagement. If you are not able to find that, tap on See More, and after that, there you will be able to find an option as Fan Engagement. So tap on Fan Engagement, and after you do that, you will land on the next page where you will have an option to turn on the toggle that says Top Fan. So turn on the toggle of the top fan, and after you do that, the top fan badges on your Facebook profile will be turned on. Or there is one more option to turn on this rising fan as well. So you can turn on that as well too. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.